Everybody, good morning. खै तपाईहरुको गुड मर्निङ हामीहरु टिचरहरुको कानमा पुगेन जस्तो लाग्छ। जोडले बजाउला एभ्रीबडी गुड मर्निङ। ओके, म फेरि सोध्न चाहन्छु एउटा क्वेशन व्हिच डे इज टुडे भनेर। तपाई अब के जवाफ दिनुहुन्छ मलाई थाहा छ है। ओके, say loudly, which day is today? Today is the result day. Result day for what? Result day of second terminal examination 2082. So today we are going to publish the result or announce the result of second terminal examination 2082. So आज म तपाईहरुको माझमा 2082 सालको दोस्रो त्रैमासिक परीक्षाको परीक्षाफल यहाँबाट अनाउन्स गर्छु। यहाँबाट म लिएर आइसकेको छु यहाँ। सो यो जुन रिजल्ट आज प्रकाशन हुनेछ यसको बारेमा तपाईहरुमा केही भन्न चाहन्छु। यो रिजल्ट भनेको तपाईहरुको परिश्रम बापत मिलेको छ। तपाईले जे जतिको परिश्रम गर्नु भएको छ आफ्नो परिश्रमको अनुसारले आफ्नो उत्तर पुस्तिकामा जे जतिको लेख्नु भएको छ त्यतिकै बापत तपाईले यहाँ अंक पाउनु भएको छ र रिजल्ट पनि त्यसै हिसाबले हामी बनाएका छौं। यसमा कुनै प्रकारको तलमाथि गरिएको छैन, कुनै प्रकारको पक्षपात छैन, कुनै प्रकारको विभेदजनक केही कुरा छैन। तपाईहरु सबै हामी सम्पूर्ण शिक्षक शिक्षिका लागि एक समान हुनुहुन्छ र तपाईहरुको परिश्रम बापतकै हामी यहाँ अंक दिएका छौं। सो अब आशा छ तपाईहरु शान्तिपूर्वक यहाँबाट रिजल्ट सुन्नुहुनेछ र यसपछिको तपाईको रिजल्ट यहाँबाट अनाउन्समेन्ट भएपछि तपाईको अनलाइनमा हाम्रो स्कुलको पेजमा पनि अपलोड हुनेछ। सो यहाँमा मात्र अब समय सीमित भएको हुनाले फर्स्ट सेकेन्ड थर्ड स्टुडेन्टको नाम यहाँबाट मात्र अनाउन्स गर्नेछु। So are you all ready? Say loudly once again. Are you all ready? Thank you so much. So तपाईलाई चकलेट वितरण गरिदिनुको लागि अब सेकेन्ड टर्मिनल एक्जामिनेसनमा हाम्रो प्राइज भनेको चकलेट हुन्छ जस्ट फर एप्रिसिएसन। सो चकलेट वितरण गरिदिनको लागि तपाईले एप्रिसिएट गरिदिनुहुन्छ यहाँ हाम्रो शंकर सरजी र विद्यार्थीलाई फर्स्ट सेकेन्ड थर्ड स्थानमा उहाँको लागि हाम्रो दुईजना मिश्रमा आउनु भएको छ सुलोचना म्याम र पूजा म्याम। उहाँहरूले ठिकानालाई पनि गरिदिनुहुन्छ आफै मिलाएर। सो उहाँहरूलाई पनि एकचोटि ताली बजाइदिनु होला। सो अब सबभन्दा पहिला यहाँ हाम्रो हातमा रिजल्ट आइसकेको छ। रिजल्ट सिट मेरो हातमै छ है। यो प्रिन्टेड रिजल्ट सिट मेरो हातमा छ। यहाँ नर्सरी बी देखि लिएर कक्षा 8 सम्मका रिजल्ट छ। सो सुरुवातमा सबभन्दा सानो क्लास नर्सरी B3 हैन, सबभन्दा सानो क्लास नर्सरी B3 हो। सो नर्सरी B3 बाट म यहाँ रिजल्ट अनाउन्स गर्न गइरहेको छु। सो नर्सरी का मिसमा मैले ध्यान दिएर सुन्नु होला। बच्चाले कहीं बुझ्न सकेन भने तपाईहरु लिएर यहाँ आइदिनु होला। जति चाँडै ल्याउनुहुन्छ त्यति राम्रो। ओके, सो आई एम गोइङ टु अनाउन्स द रिजल्ट फर नर्सरी B3 students of second terminal examination 2082. So in nursery the students who got the first position by getting 480, nursery B3. The students who got the first position by getting 480 out of 500 marks, having the percentage 96%. And the first student is Priyanshu Thakur. Priyanshu Thakur is here with us. Please come on the stage. You are welcome. And the students who got the second position by getting 433 out of 500 marks and having the percentage 88.60%. And the second student is Sabia Khatun. Sabia Khatun. And the student who got the third position by getting 379 out of 500 marks. And having the percentage 75.80%. Having the percentage 75.80%. And the third student is Yuvraj Devkota. Sorry, Yuvraj Gupta. Yuvraj Gupta. My mistake. Yuvraj Gupta is the third position. Please come here. Yuvraj Gupta, please come on the stage. Eta bataidinu babu. Eta bataidinu. Okay, so clap for everyone. Clap for them. Play, I will like clap for them. First round of Priyansu Thakur, second Sabia Khatun, and third Yuvraj Gupta. One nursery B3 ko second terminal examination ma uharule first, second, and third hunubhako. Okay, now I am going to announce the name of the students from nursery B2 who got the first, second, and third person respectively. So in nursery B2, the students who got the first places by getting 482 out of 500 marks and having the percentage 96.20%. And the student who got the first person is Ashik Rai. Ashik Rai, you got the first person, please come on the stage. And in nursery B2, you got the second person by getting 479 out of 500 marks and having the percentage 95.80%. And the student who got the second person is Sanjana Kumari. First Ashik Rai, second Sanjana Kumari. And the students who got the third places by getting 477 out of 500 marks and having the percentage 95.40%. And the name of the third student is Shivam Mato. Shivam Mato.
पुरै आउनु पर्यो
भनेर त्यहीबाट फोटो खिच्नु होला गाडीमा आउनुला डिस्टर्ब हुन्छ
त्यहाँ त
को फर्स्ट विद्यार्थी अब्सेन्ट हुनु भएको छ ओके सो Ashik Rai is absent here from nursery B2. Okay, now I am going to announce the name of the students who got the first position, second position, and third position respectively in the second terminal examination 2082 from nursery B1. So the students who got the first person by getting 460 out of 500 marks and having the percentage 92%. And the student who got the first person is Shivan Saha. Shivan Saha, please come on the stage. You got the first 500 marks and having the percentage 91.5%. And the second student is Ananya Saha. Ananya Saha. Shivans is the first and Ananya is the second. And the students who got the third positions by getting 454 out of 500 marks and having the percentage 90.80%. And the student is Muhammad Jafar. Absent. Third, Muhammad Jafar matra ya present hunu bhako cha. So result day ma absent hunu bhako cha ya Shivan Saha र Ananya Saha. बच्चा सब मिस्टेक हुन्छ उहाँहरुबाट सायद थाहा नभएको होला कि रिमेम्बरिङ नहोला कि ओके मोहम्मद जफरको लागि ताली बजाउनु होला मोहम्मद जफर उहाँहरुबाट भएको छ Okay, now the turn for nursery B. Now I'm going to announce the name of the students of first, second, third from nursery B who got the positions respectively on the second terminal examination 2082. So in this class, in the class nursery B, the students who got the first person by getting 500 marks out of 500 marks. That means 100% result, 100% result. No even any mistake according to full stop. No any mistake. In 5 of the subjects, no any mistake. कुनै प्रकारको mistake नभएको. Orally देखि लिएर written सबको सबमा best. 500 out of 500 means 100% results. And the students who got the first person is Muskan Kumari Yadav from nursery B. Muskan Kumari Yadav, nursery B. 100 out of 100% means 500 out of 500 marks. Super, outstanding. Very यताबाट आइदिँदा हुन्थ्यो ल ठिकै छ नाम पहिला नै सारा गर्दिनु And there are two students who got the second position. There are two students in nursery B who got the second position. अब दुवैजनालाई एकै ठाउँमा भर्नु पर्ने जस्तो आइसक्यो है. So there are two students who got the second position by getting 409 499 499 अर्थात just 1 mark down from the first position student. 1 mark मात्र कम छ फर्स्ट विद्यार्थीबाट, सिर्फ 1 मार्क भन्नाले there is a great competition. थर्ड को पनि 8 मार्क कम छ, पनि बढी कम छैन. So the students who got the second positions by getting 499 out of 500 marks and having the percentage 99.8%. And the students are Shivani Mahato and Roshni Pathak. Shivani Mahato and Roshni Pathak. Nursery students. Shivani Mahato and Roshni Pathak. They both got the second positions accordingly in the second terminal examination 2082. Roshni Pathak, is he absent?
Absent.
Absent. Okay. Roshni Pathak is absent. She got the second position. And the student who got the third position by getting 491 out of 500 marks, having the percentage 98.20%. And the third student is Kartik Paswan B. Kartik Paswan B.
Absent.
Kartik Paswan.
Absent.
Absent? Okay, he is also absent. Third class nursery ma धेरै absent देखेको छ. अब माथिको आशा छ absent नहोस्, तर के भन्न सकिदैन है. Okay, now the result of nursery B3 to B is completed. Now I am going to jump on nursery A section. So I am going to announce the result for nursery A1 students. So the students of nursery A1, please listen to me carefully. I am going to announce the name of the first, second and third students respectively who got the positions during the second terminal examination 2082. And the students who got the first positions by getting 489 out of 500 marks and having the percentage 97.8%. And the students is Aditya Raut, Aditya Kumar Raut. Aditya Kumar Raut from nursery A1, you got the first position by getting 489. Your percentage is 97.8%. Aditya Kumar Raut. And the student who got the second position by getting 486.75 gains 97.15%. And the students who got the second position is Krishna Pandit. Krishna Pandit, nursery A1. Krishna Pandit from nursery A1, please come on the stage. Krishna Pandit. And the student who got the third position by getting 485, just 1.75 below than the second student. There is in age competition in nursery A1, and his percentage is 97.00%, means 0.15% is just below than second student, Krishna Pandey. And the students who got the third position is Vishal Paswan. Vishal Paswan, please come here on the stage. Vishal Paswan. Absent. Vishal Paswan pani absent हुनु भएको छ. Okay, now the turn for nursery A students. So I am going to announce the name of the students of first, second, and third respectively from nursery A who got the positions during the second terminal examination 2002. And the student who got the first position by getting 491 out of 500 marks and having the percentage 98.2%. And the name of the first student is Soumik Prasad Saha. Soumik Prasad Saha, you got the first positions on the second terminal examination. Soumik Prasad Saha, please come here on the stage. Soumik Prasad Saha, Golu. Please come here on the stage. And the students who got the second position by getting 489.5 out of 500 marks and having the percentage 97.90%. And the student who got the second position is Jeevan Pandit. Jeevan Pandit. Jeevan Pandit, please come here. Jeevan Pandit. ताली बजाउँदा एकैचोटि बजाउनु होला. अनि सबैजना बजाउनु होला है. Thank you so much. तपाईहरु यत्रो ठुलो भइसक्नु भयो. यतिको रिजल्ट सुन्नुभयो कि प्रोग्राम हेर्नुहुन्छ स्कुलमा. तर पनि यति सेन्स छैन हैन. ताली कहाँ बजाउनु छ, कति बेला बजाउनु छ, कुन बेला बजाउनु छ थाहा छैन. third person by getting 488.5 out of 500 marks, having the percentage 97.70%. And the third student name is Meenakshi Mandal. Meenakshi Mandal, please come on the stage. You are welcome here on the stage. You got the third person. Meenakshi Mandal, where are you? Please come here. Meenakshi Mandal, from nursery, you got the third position.
Absent.
Meenakshi Mandal is also absent. Okay, now the turn for LKG. Okay, I am going to announce the name of the students from LKG A. So, the students of LKG A, please listen to me carefully. In LKG A, the total marks of examination is 700. And the students who got the first position by getting 688.50 out of 700 marks. And having the percentage 98.35%. And our first student is Muhammad Kamran Singh. Muhammad Kamran Singh. Congratulations, you got the first position in second terminal examination. And the students who got the second position by getting 687.25. Means just 1.25 below than first student. And the percentage is about 98.17%. And the second student is Rishi Saha. Rishi Saha. Rishi Saha, please come on the stage. And the student who got the third position by getting 678.75 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 96.36%. And the third student is Osifa Khatun. Osifa Khatun, please come on the stage. Osifa Khatun, you got the third position in second terminal examination 2082. Osifa Khatun, please come here. Absent. Osifa Khatun. She is also absent today. Okay, now the turn for the LKG B. And the students of first, second, and third names are going to be announced respectively. And the students who got the 693.75 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 99.10%. And got the first person is Lakshmi Mato. Lakshmi Mato from LKGB. Lakshmi Mato. And the students who got the second position by getting 689.50 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 98.50%. And the second student is Riya Pandit. Riya Pandit, you got the second position. Aggression, second bag of aggression. And the students who got the third position by getting 682.25 out of 700 marks, having the percentage 97.48%. And the third student is Pritham Rai. Pritham Rai, please come on the stage, Pritham Rai. Now I'm going to announce the name of the students from UKG section A. So in UKG A, the students who got the first, second and third position respectively in the second terminal examination 2022. The students of nursery, please be silent. So in UKG A, the student who got the first position by getting 689 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 98.42%. And the first student is Naresh Rai. Naresh Rai, please come on the stage. You got the first position. And the student who got the second position by getting 679 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 97%. And the second student is Ranjit Pandit 3. Ranjit Pandit 3. I think there are 1, 2, 3. Ranjit Pandit 3. And the students who got the third position by getting 675.5 out of 700 marks, having the percentage 96.5%. And the third student is Pritham Pandit. Pritham Pandit. कोई आएको छ या छैन, it doesn't matter. नाम भन्ने बित्तिकै खाली ल्याइदिनु होला. कोही आएको छ या छैन, उनको नामै काफी छ, ठिक छ? किनभने उहाँले पोजिसन आउनु भएको छ. अरूलाई तपाईहरु रिगार्ड गर्नुहुन्न, अरूलाई एप्रिसिएट गर्नुहुन्न भने भोलि तपाईले कसले गर्ला? भनिन्छ नि, गिभ रेस्पेक्ट एन्ड टेक रेस्पेक्ट. सो प्लिज अरूलाई एप्रिसिएट गर्न सिक्नुहोस् है. ठिक छ?
ल भयो.
Okay, now the turn for UKGP. So in UKGP, the students who got the 682 out of 700 marks, snapping the percentage 97.4842, and able to get the first position is Maya Kumari Mahato. Maya Kumari Mahato, please come on the stage. Maya Mahato from UKGP. Maya Mahato is absent. And the students who got the second position by getting 669.25 and having the percentage 95.60%. And the students who got the second person is Anus Singer. Anus, please come on the stage. He got the second person. First Maya Mahato is absent, Anus Singh is present. And the student who got the third person by getting 669 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 95.50%. And the students who got the third person is Arvind Pandit. Arvind Pandit. Now the result for the lower level students or classes is over. Now the turn for the higher level classes. And according to the rule of our school, higher level classes belongs to from class 1 to class 8. Okay, the students of class 1 to class 8 comes under the higher level in our school. Students who got the first, second and third position respectively in the second terminal examination from class 1A. And the students who got the 676 out of 700 marks and having a percentage 96.57%. And the first student is Asif Pandit. Asif Pandit. And the students who got the second person by getting 675.90. 675.90 means first 0.1 below than the first student. 1 पनि होइन, just 0.8, 0.1 मात्र कम छ अंक. And the students who got the second person is Muhammad Arbaaz Sheikh. Great competition, Muhammad Arbaaz Sheikh. He got the second person and the percentage is 96.55%. That means 0.02%, just below than 0.02%. And the students who got the third position getting 659 out of 700 marks. And the percentage is about 94.14%. And the student who got the third position is Sumit Mahato. Sumit Mahato, please come on the stage.
Absent.
Bhagwan A. Sumit Mahato.
Absent.
Absent. Sumit Mahato is also absent. Now the turn for class 1 section B. A. In class 1 section B, the students who got the first position by getting 650 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 92.86% and breaking the records of this year. The students who got the first position is Subhakamna Yadav. Subhakamna, please come to stage. You got the first position. First position in your life. आपने जीवन को पहले फर्स्ट लुभागो से यार धीरे-धीरे बढ़ाई. And the students who got the second position by getting 646 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 92.08%. And the students who got the second position is Astha Pandit.
Ma'am.
One more breakable record. Asta Pandit. Asta Pandit. Is she absent? Oh, she's here. Did I miss her? Ella. Now the other students who have the third person are getting 641.5 out of 700 marks. And having the percentage 91.64%. And the third student is Adarsh Ram. Adarsh Ram. यहाँ तीन जनालाई धेरै बधाई हाम्रो स्कुल परिवार तर्फबाट किनभने यहाँ कम्पिटिसन एकदम गजबको देखिएको छ। फर्स्ट स्टुडेन्ट 650, सेकेन्ड स्टुडेन्ट 646, 4 मार्कले मात्र पछाडि र थर्ड स्टुडेन्ट 641, 5 मार्कले मात्र पछाडि। गजबको कम्पिटिसन छ यहाँ। छोटा सर तपाईं फेरि यही बाटो क्रस गर्नुहुन्छ, भिडियो डिस्टर्ब हुन्छ है। दुईचोटी। Okay, now time for class 2 students. I'm going to announce the name of the first, second and third students from class 2 who got the positions respectively in second terminal examination 2082. And the students in class 2 who got the first position in second terminal examination by getting 639 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 91.35% is Surya Prakash Yadav. उहाँको नाम मेरो Surya Prakash पनि यहाँ प्रिन्टमा लेखेको छ। And the students who got the second person by getting 630, just 9 marks down of first student, and having the percentage 90%. And the student who got the second person is Ranveer Prasad Sahar. Ranveer Prasad Sahar. And the students who got the third person by getting 626 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 39.42%. And the third student is Akriti Pandit. Akriti Pandit. Akriti Pandit. Akriti Pandit ra Asif Pandit bhai bhai na. दुवै भाइ बहिनी यहाँ पोजिसन लानु भएको छ। आसिफ पण्डित क्लास 1A मा फर्स्ट र आकृति पण्डित क्लास 2 मा थर्ड हुनु भएको छ। बधाई छ दुवै भाइ बहिनीलाई। र यहाँ तीन जना सूर्य प्रकाश, रवि र आकृति, तीन जनालाई बधाई। And the students who got the third positions by getting 661 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 94.42%. And I want to get the first position is Ramandu Payal Mato. Payal Mato. We got the first positions once again. Unbreakable record. यो unbreakable record of Payal Mato को record करना सिखलाको छ कसैले। And we got the second position by getting 590.5 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 84.35%. And the student who got the second position is Sandhya Yadav. Sandhya Yadav. And the students who got the third position by getting 525.5 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 75.07%. And the students who got the third position is Saloni Mandal. Saloni Mandal. All of them are girls. तिनीको तिनी बहिनीलाई धेरै धेरै बधाई। उहाँले प्रथम, द्वितीय र तृतीय हुनु भएको छ दोस्रो त्रैमासिक परीक्षा 2082 मा। Now the turn for the class 4 students. I am going to announce the name of the students of class 4 who got the first, second and third position respectively during the second terminal examination 2082. And the students who got the first position by getting 636 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 90.85%. And the students who got the first position is Sonu Patel. Sonu Patel, please come on the stage. And the students who got the second position by getting 609 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 87%. And the students who got the second position is Kriti Thakur. Kriti Thakur. And the students who got the third position by getting 536 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 86.57%. And the student who got the third person is Siva Mandal. Siva Mandal, please come on the stage. Congratulations all of you. You got the first, second and third person respectively. And the first, second and third student position belong to Sonu, Kriti and Siva. Now clap loudly for them. Everybody clap loudly. And now turn for the girls who get the third person is Soya Saha. Soya, please come on the stage. Soya Saha. Now I'm going to announce the name of the students of class 6 who got the position respectively during the second terminal examination 2082. And the students who got the first person by getting 615 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 87.85%. And the students who became the first is Himani Misra. Himani Misra. So in class 6, the student who got 586 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 83.7%. And the second student's name is Rosni Yadav. Rosni Yadav. And the students who got the third person by getting 484.5 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 69.21%. And the students who got the third person is the new students who broke all of the records of class 6. Now the third students who got and broke all of the records of class 6. Class 6 में आए और नया विद्यार्थी ने नया record तोड़ दिया. It is awesome, and this is the new record of Arun Kumar Mukhia. You did very well in your second terminal examination. His congratulations to you. एकदम राम्रो गर्नु भएको छ उहाँले थर्ड भएको छ. He got 484 out of 700 marks. Percentage about 69.21. Okay, now I'm going to announce the name of the students who got the first, second, and third person respectively, class 7 during the examination, second terminal examination 2002. And the students who got the first person by getting 655.25 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 93.61%. And the name of the student is the unbreakable record. Suhani Saha. Suhani, we got the past position. And the students who got the second person by getting 507 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 72.43% is the new student. Roshan Saha. Roshan Saha, you got the second person. And the student who got the third person by getting 418 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 59.72%. And the third student is Siv Kumar Ram. Siv Kumar Ram, you got the third person in your second terminal examination. धेरै बधाई छ तिनै भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई. उहाँले प्रथम द्वितीय र तृतीय स्थान लानु भएको छ. रोशनी सुहानी रोशन र शिव कुमार राम. तर आशा छ यहाँहरुको मार्क आउँदो एक्जाममा यो भन्दा पनि बढी आओस्. आशा छ, शुभकामना छ उहाँहरुलाई. सुहानीले 93 अर्थात 93.61% लानु भएको छ. रोशनले 72.43 लानु भएको छ र शिव कुमार रामले 59.72. आशा छ रोशन र शिव कुमार रामको मार्क्स बढी आओस्. अझ मेहनत गर्नु परोस्. मैले गर्नुस्. राम्रो कुरा छ. धेरै राम्रो बधाई छ तपाईलाई. ओके, अब म रिजल्ट सुनाउन गइरहेको छु क्लास 8 को. The students of class 8, listen to me carefully. Now I'm going to announce the name of the students who got the first, second and third position respectively during the second terminal examination 2002. And the students who got the first person by getting 557 out of 700 marks. Rosni Yadav, please come on the stage. Congratulations. And the students who got the second person by getting 494 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 70.57% and able to get the second position is Ayush Mandal. Please come here on the stage, Ayush Mandal. And the students who got the third person by getting 479 out of 700 marks and having the percentage 68.43%. And the students who got the third person is Akash Thakur. Akash Thakur, please come on the students who got the third person in second terminal examination 2082. So now all of the results from nursery level to class 8 means junior level to higher level for our school is over now. Now there are two results of proper students is remaining to go. Now I'm going to announce the name of the students who topped this school from junior level and senior level respectively. And the students who topped this school from junior level having the 100% results, no even any mistake, no even any thought of mistake. And the students who got the 100% result and able to get the school top position from junior level is from nursery B, Muskan Kumari Yadav, school top student. Please clap loudly. Clap loudly for 5 seconds. Muskan Kumari Yadav, 6% results. 6% result means 100% results. No even any thought of mistake. No even any points of mistake. And the students who top this school from the higher level, just higher level for our school only, not even the higher level according to the rule of Nepal. Just higher level of our school from 1 to 8. Okay? So the students who top this school from class 1 to class 8, having the percentage 96.57%, and the mark is about 676 out of 700 marks. अनुमान गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ को होला? Okay, मलाई भन्नुहुन्छ. He is from class 1A. Asik Pandit. Asik Pandit taught this school from class 1A. He got 96.57%. And marks is 676. Now, congratulations on the students who passed the examination and got the position. Pass हुनुभएका सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थीलाई बधाई छ. बाँकी सब विद्यार्थी पास हुनुभएको छ. पास हुने सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थीलाई बधाई छ. प्रथम, द्वितीय र तृतीय हुने विद्यार्थीलाई अझ बढी बधाई छ. स्कुल टप हुने विद्यार्थीलाई सुपरलेटिभ डिग्रीको बधाई छ. भन्नाले बधाई माथि पनि बधाई माथि पनि बधाई. अब तपाईहरु बिस्तारै कक्षा बन्दै लाग्नु होला र समानसारले घन्टी बजाउनेछौँ है.